Hello, Broncos. I'm Roland Cruz, your Senior Campus Executive Chef, Boise State University. With 33 years of experience in the restaurant industry, I'm excited to bring my passion for food to your campus dining experience. My goal is to add more value to your meal plans by introducing innovative dishes that cater to all tastes. I'm thrilled to be part of the Bronco family and look forward to creating meals that make your time here even more enjoyable. Today I'm going to show you how to make chili con carne with cornbread muffins. Before we start cooking this recipe, there are a few food safety points we need to cover. First, ensure your workspace is clean. Before anything else, clear any clutter from the counter and thoroughly clean and sanitize your area. This will ensure you're working in a safe environment. The second thing I encourage you to get is a food thermometer. When cooking ground beef or proteins in general, using a thermometer is crucial. Temperature management is essential for safely preparing meat to ensure it's safe to eat. Before using the thermometer, make sure the probe is clean and sanitized. You do that by washing it with hot water and soap. Insert the probe into the food being measured and wait for the temperature to stabilize. It might take a few moments. First thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so next we're going to combine everything from bag number 1 with a quarter cup of water. So I just grab a mixing bowl and dump the entire contents in here. This will make 2 muffins. Just give it a whisk. And then with your pan spray, spray a couple areas for your muffins to go in. And then we'll put this in the oven for 15 minutes. Then after our oven's 350 degrees, very carefully put it in. Next, we're going to place a pan on the stove and we're going to turn it on to medium heat. And then after it's hot, we're going to hit it with about a tablespoon of oil, just a little bit, not a lot. Then you're going to add your contents of bag number 2. Okay, so that's definitely the sound you're looking for. Just want to make sure that your pan's hot. Now after it's been going, we're going to add the contents of number 3, which is our spice mix. A lot of different spices in here. There's some chili powder, there's a little bit of cumin, some granulated garlic. And as we're doing it, you're just going to want to scrape the bottom as much as you can. And we just let that go for just a second. Next, we're going to add our contents of number 4, which is our beef base. So as we're doing this, we're just kind of stirring it around again. So we're letting all that stuff get together. And what you're doing is you're building different layers of flavor in here. Next, we're going to add our tomato paste. And that's bag number 5. And then when you start to see it like this, and it's pasty and kind of sticking together, at this point what we can do is we can add some water to it. That was about a half cup of water right there. And then once you add your water, you can continue to scrape up the bits on the bottom. Okay, so next we're going to add the contents bag number 6 in, which is our pre-cooked ground beef. We're going to add a little bit water there. We'll probably add the other half cup. It's a cup of water that we put in there, broken up into segments. And as you can see, your chili is really starting to come together. And after 15 minutes, take out your muffins. So next we're going to add our bag number 7, which is our diced tomatoes. And again, just give that a little stir. And then our last bag, bag number 8. And then we can wait. And when your chili is starting to boil, like it is, you can reduce the temperature on it, and we're just going to keep it at a low simmer. And then you can let it simmer for about 5-10 minutes or so. And all you're going to want to do at that point, you're just reducing down some of that water that we put in. Now you're going to reduce it by about half, or however, honestly, whatever thickness you'd like for your chili. So we're going to take the temperature of our chili right now, make sure that it's 165 degrees. That way it's safe to eat. See, so right now we're well over 165. We're at 200 degrees. So we know we're good. And there you have it, chili con carne with cornbread muffins.